Welcome to Kamdhenu. The Crown, an extraordinary new chapter in luxury living by Kamdhenu developers, located on the prestigious Palm Beach Road, where elegance, comfort, and sophistication come together in a premium lifestyle experience. Step into a world of spacious, meticulously designed residences, each crafted to reflect the highest standards of modern luxury. With high-end finishes, expansive layouts, and an array of world-class amenities, Kamdhenu the Crown offers a truly unparalleled living experience. Kamdhenu Realities was founded in 1955 by the visionary Mr. Anantram Sablok. Today, led by Mr. Surinder and Mr. Karan Sablok, the company stands as a beacon of quality and innovation, known for delivering residential and commercial projects that exemplify excellence. Kamdhenu. The Crown isn't just a residence, it's a complete lifestyle. Enjoy a fully equipped fitness center, luxurious pool, landscaped gardens, and dedicated play areas, all designed to elevate your daily life. Each amenity is thoughtfully included to enhance relaxation, wellness, and family-friendly living. Located along Palm Beach Road, Kamdhenu the Crown provides seamless connectivity to Navi Mumbai's major hubs, yet maintains serene, tranquil surroundings. It's the perfect balance between convenience and peace. Are you ready to elevate your lifestyle? Discover Kamdhenu the Crown on Palm Beach Road, Navi Mumbai. Contact us at +91 937250 4909 to schedule a site visit, access the digital brochure, floor plans, and to experience the sample flat. Kamdhenu the Crown. Luxury, convenience, and comfort, all within your reach. Join us in redefining premium living.